Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Anna. I am a mom of 4. I love to do DIYs, organization, and so much more. I do vlogs here on this channel, and I would love for you guys to subscribe and be part of our family here. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. So today I just got ready and I'm wearing this stripy cardigan that I got a few years back, and I just really love it, and I hardly ever get ready on the weekends, but we're actually going to Lowe's and to Home Depot, and we're taking all of the kids and we're going to check out their lighting and see what they have, because we're going to remodel the downstairs guest bathroom. And I actually just did a cleaning video, and I can link that down below for you guys. It is called It's My Bathroom Clean and Decorate With Me Before We Remodel, and we're actually going to be remodeling next weekend. We're going to start it and see how it goes, but we're going to basically take everything out of there, except we're keeping the shower glass and the shower enclosure, and we're keeping the flooring. And so we're going to be changing out all of the light fixtures. The vanity is totally, completely coming out, and then the faucets are all coming out, the shower valves, the shower faucets, and then the sink faucet is coming out too. So I think we're going to get a new toilet as well, so that's going to be really awesome. But yeah, it's going to be really fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So come along with us and see what they have at Home Depot and at Lowe's, and I will show you guys a haul, a mini haul afterwards, after we're done shopping. I would like these little squares, but the prices are pretty good, but not the styles that I was looking for. So what do you think? What should we get? Should we go to Lowe's?
I don't know.
Maybe we should just go to Lowe's. You like that one? I really like all of these, but this one is my favorite here for our, well, for our kitchen island, but I'm not sure if we're gonna, I'm still trying to convince Eric to put something hanging, like some pendant lights, so I'll see how that goes. Okay, ready? Come on, little one. Come on. Oh, thank you. They have that sphere right there. Do you like this one right here? For the front entrance? Yeah. Or maybe something silver like this one. That looks pretty nice. Oh my gosh.
I want a nightlight.
Okay, so this is what we liked. This is what we had in our old bathroom.
Oh yeah.
When we remodeled the guest bathroom and when we remodeled our master, we used those. But do you like any of these? Always bring snacks for them. Otherwise, they freak out. Here you go. Eat. Take it, baby. Okay, so we ended up going with this one here. Allen and Roth, and it's for the guest bathroom. This one right here.
Why did Daddy go?
Look how pretty, you guys. These are only $24. Hey you guys, so we just got back home from Lowe's and Home Depot, and we did find some things. So I am going to show you what we got for the bathroom. So, but first, let's get some coffee because my sinuses are just acting up like crazy today, and I feel like I need a hot drink to help. And I actually got Claritin today, which I haven't had to take Claritin for probably like, I don't know, like 3 or 4 years. But this year, somehow, it seems like the allergens in the air is like super, super bad. But let's get the coffee and let me show you what we got, okay? I already put some honey in my cup. I do 2 tablespoons of honey, raw and unfiltered. And my favorite is Nature Nate's. I just always buy it because it's just so good. And there you go, my coffee. So let's go ahead and show you guys. All right, you guys, so we ended up getting some light fixtures from Home Depot. These ones are from Home Depot. This is for the front entryway. We have a light that is just kind of old, probably 20 years old. I think it's original from the house. Then we got these cute little pulls for the fans in my kids' room. So the boys are gonna share this one, baseball, and then Catalina picked this one. It's like a crystal, which is really pretty. And then, so we got these for the garage, for each side of the garage. So that's gonna look really cute. The ones that are there now are just, they're just so old and they're falling apart basically. So we want to update it, upgrade it. And then after that, we went to Lowe's. And at Lowe's we found these, and these are from Allen and Roth, and they are so pretty. We actually had this in our other bathroom in our old house when we remodeled. So yeah, I can show you guys. So we're going to be remodeling probably in about a week or so. I think we're going to get started next weekend to remodel the bathroom. This didn't come with light bulbs, so we had to get some light bulbs. But yeah, everything is going to look really good. So I can't wait to get started, you guys. I do need to clean up this room a little bit. I just, yeah, I have this big box of like PR that I have to open. And then there's another one over there too. It's actually toys for the kids, so they're gonna be happy. I'm gonna try to do like a little video, probably for like IGTV. Yeah, so it was really fun going to the stores today, and we don't usually take the kids out like all at once. Usually it's like Eric will go and he'll take the boys with him, or I'll take Catalina with me, or Liam. But so today we all went to the store together, and they were being really good actually. They were not getting crazy. I brought snacks with me, so that helped out a lot. So yeah, it was really fun, and I hope you guys really liked this video today. You guys, thank you again so much for watching. I really appreciate it, you guys. So I hope you have a great day. Well, you guys, that's the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any videos. If you hit the bell notification, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And I just want to see you guys here and be part of our family. So go ahead and subscribe, you guys. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.